Good afternoon. My name is Kendra Graham, and I will be introducing to you the Reverend Dr. Albert M. James. Reverend James's motto is, "If I can help someone along the way as I pass, then my living shall not be in vain." Whether it be visiting me in the middle of the night at the hospital or attending to other members during their time of bereavement, sickness, anything going on, life events in their family, he is always there. No matter what time of the night, no matter how far he has to travel, he will be there for each member that he can be, as long as his health and strength allows him to be that way. From an early age, Pastor James always made it known that he knew he wanted to lead a life of helping others, of leading others, of seeking others that may need help. So this is why he chose to go into the education field as well as the ministry. He was educated in the public school systems of Camden, South Carolina, where he was born and raised. But he didn't stop there. He went on after school, after graduating from high school. He went to obtain a bachelor's degree. He obtained a master's degree. And then he later on ended up getting a theological degree in studies. Having all these accolades has placed Pastor James in a position to be able to continue to live out through his motto of helping others as he passes along the way. One of his main focuses is CHO, or what we call the Christian Haitian Outreach Program. This program is a mission ministry that is there to help the poor and orphanage children of Haiti. It was founded in 1974 by Eleanor Workman, and he worked vigorously with her until her passing. Since Eleanor Workman has passed, Pastor James has become the president and the chairman of the board of this committee. He is very faithful to the CHO ministry. He's visited Haiti several times a year. He also is in close communication with the other board of directors so that they can make sure that everything is taken care of and he is helping the people of Haiti. Even though Pastor James has been very successful in his educational field as a career and in the ministry, that does not mean that he did not face any challenges. He faced challenges of trying to strive and advance in his career, even though he had the accolades to show that he was worthy of becoming a teacher and being eventually promoted to principal of schools. It wasn't always an easy road to get to this place. And on top of that, he had to experience the tragic loss of his daughter at the tender age of 10 years old. Even though he went through all of these challenges, he never let it deter him from an opportunity to continue out his mission of always wanting to help others. Most people would find it difficult to bounce back from the loss of a child. They may blame others. They may begin to hate God. There's so many things that come with the loss of a child. But Pastor James used the death of his daughter and his career woes of trying to strive, trying to advance while seeing other people that he had gone to school with advance in other careers. He used those challenges to actually motivate him to do even more to help people. All of the years that Dr. James spent in the ministry and in the education field, it aided him to be able to fulfill that life motto that he has of helping someone along the way. In closing, I hope that I have given you a little insight on a man that truly loves people, and he truly walks daily of wanting to help anyone that he comes across. I have introduced to some and presented to others, the Reverend Dr. Albert M. James.